Hello, beautiful people. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying, having fun in the summer on your beaches, which is very good, to get some tan. Okay, so I know you guys are sharing, subscribing, and liking my channel, and you're also liking my videos. So please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my videos. So today's video is all about the beautiful setting of the table when you have some formal kind of dinner or family dinner or Thanksgiving. We have a variety of ideas in this video. You can arrange flowers, you can arrange candles to give a mesmerizing views to your table and to entertain your guests. Look this beautiful collection and the color combination you can have to arrange your tables. This is gonna be so cool, so amazing, and so lovely when you are gonna change a little bit things in your table, just like this candle. Wow, this is so amazing. Look this table. This is just a simple table with the simple walls, and it's looking so cool and so stylish too. And it's literally a piece to eyes to look at this photo. Okay, the black one is my most every time favorite crockery set. Oh, this is so cool, guys. Look at these fairy lights and the walls. Oh, these candles and some leaves. This is giving a major looks for your table. So I know you are gonna love this video, and please let me know in the comment box where are you from and are you liking my videos or not, and do let me know if you want to see something else in the videos, so you can add the different stuff in the videos for you guys, or whatever you want. I can arrange that. But make sure you like and subscribe my channel so you can get the notification next time I upload any videos for you guys, and let me know in the comment box about the content you want to see. So we'll come again in the next video. Till until then, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye bye, take care guys, love you.